lovelies, and welcome back. Today I'm so excited to show you 6 brand new nail art tutorials all in one video. We've got flowers, butterfly, and so much sparkle. They are super quick and easy. So let's get painting. Start with a cream colored base. Apply a layer of blooming gel, but make sure not to cure it. Now blend some brown gel into that wet layer. Then add a touch of silver magnetic gel. Use your magnet and now you can cure. Using a fine liner brush and black gel, draw this beautiful delicate branch and leaves. Time for color. Let's fill in one side of the leaves with a bright sunny yellow. And to give it that cozy autumn vibe, blend a little bit of orange right next to the yellow. This part is so cool. Apply a magnetic top coat only on the color parts of the leaves. Use your magnet again for that extra pop. With a dotting tool, add some cute little black dots scattered around the branch. Apply your top coat, but don't cure. While it's wet, sprinkle on some gold and black glitter flakes. Now you can cure and it's all finished. Look at all that dimension and sparkle. What's your favorite season for nail art? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video if you love this design. Start with a black base. Apply a layer of blooming gel, don't cure yet. Use a bit of white gel and stir it gently with an ombre brush to make that dreamy marble effect. Then cure. To prep our canvas for painting, apply a matte top coat. Time for our flower. Load your one-stroke brush with 2 acrylic colors and paint those beautiful blended petals. How pretty is that? Time for the fun details. Add some fine white spider gel lines and tiny dots to make it pop. Finally, seal it all in with a glossy top coat and done. This Smoky floral is so stunning. Are you team dark and moody or light and bright? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like if you love this design. Let's start with a silver magnetic gel. Move your magnet to get that perfect glue, then cure it. Add a top coat to smooth everything out. This makes the next step much easier. Now for the wing. We'll build this part by part. Paint a few sections with black gel. Cure, then rub in your chrome pigment. Keep layering and coloring until your butterfly wing comes to life. Seal that beautiful coron with a top coat. Add a tiny soft shadow around the wing using a sheer black or a smoky gel. This adds so much depth. Finish it off by painting the little body and antennae. And look at that, just stunning. I'm obsessed with these colors. What's your favorite coron color combo? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit like if you're loving this tutorial. First up, let's get edgy with some sharp spider gel lines. So satisfying. Now for our flower. On one side, build your petal with acrylic gel, do one layer, cure, then add a second layer. Time for some bark. Add a touch of orange paint gel for shading to really make it pop. Add some fine black outlines, it makes the petal pop beautifully. Super important, apply a matte top coat. This preps the nail perfectly for our watercolor. Let's get moody. Use black watercolor to fill the flower center and create that cool smoky background. It's all in the details. Add black glitter gel to the center, then darken the outlines and add tiny veins with black gel. Let's seal everything with a shiny top coat. Add tiny white dots to the center and a few fine glitter on the smoky side, and done. How gorgeous! If you like this design, don't forget to hit like and tell me what you think in the comments. On a white base, just add random dots of green, yellow, and red gels. Don't beat on it. Using an ombre brush and blend them all together, this creates our soft, leafy background. With a black liner brush, let's draw in the delicate veins of our leaf. To add some depth, use a sheer smoky gel to add a little bit of soft shading. Now, let's make those veins pop by adding a few highlights with white gel. Time for our 2D ladybug. Place one single raised dot using a clear rubber top coat and give it a cure. Paint right over that 3D dot with a bright, beautiful red gel. Add a tiny black details, a head, a line down the middle, and little spots. Look how cute! Finish it off with some raised drops using clear rubber top. How precious is that? Are you a fan of 3D nail art? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video if you love this little ladybug. On a white base, we're blending a soft pink shell to create a beautiful ombre effect. Now add some foil glue and press your foil in random spots. It gives that pretty texture shine. Apply a matte top coat to seal the foil and prep for our watercolor magic. Now let's paint our flower using watercolor. Place the color first, then blend it out with a dry brush, so soft and dreamy. Make sure your watercolor is completely dry, and then lock it all in with a shiny top coat. Add a few tiny white dots right in the center, and we're done. I'm obsessed with this flower. If you love this soft floral design, please give this video a big thumbs up.